Instant noodles are every student's go-to meal. Fast, cheap, and convenient. But their popularity has real impacts on both health and the agro industry. Welcome to Student Habits of Eating Instant Noodles, Opportunity and Risk for the Agro Industry.
How often do you consume instant noodles in a week? And in what situation do you usually eat them?
Okay, I regularly consume instant noodle maybe once a week, and I usually consume it when I'm hungry and need something quick and practical.
So, how often do you consume instant noodles in a week? And in what situation do you usually eat them?
Seberapa sering saya mengkonsumsi ini akhir-akhir ini dikarenakan kondisi keuangan yang sedang memburuk, jadi saya bisa 3 hari dalam 1 minggu.
What is your main reason for choosing instant noodles?
It's because instant noodle is cheap and also easy to get, and of course the taste is good.
What's your main reason for choosing instant noodles?
Oke, main reason aku buat milih instant noodle sendiri itu pasti pertama karena murah, terus gampang buat didapetin karena di warung ada, di Indomaret ada, pokoknya tempat-tempat terdekat itu ada, sama yang kedua gampang masaknya, terus cepet juga buat dimasak.
How aware are you of the health risks associated with frequent instant noodle consumption?
Okay, I do aware with the health effect of instant noodle because it has a really high content of natrium. So I usually balance it with adding some vegetable or eggs or something.
How aware are you of the health risks associated with frequent instant noodle consumption?
Okay, so I think the sodium and MSG content is very high, so instant noodle is unhealthy.
So the next question is, how do you think student instant noodle consumption habits influence demand in the agro-industry supply chain?
So because the instant noodle is made from wheat, if a student consume them frequently, they can increase the agro-industrial aspect.
How do you think students' instant noodles consumption habit influence demand in the agro-industry supply chain?
Okay, the habit of consuming instant noodle is very affecting the supply chain of instant noodle because we as students, if we always consume instant noodle in high volume, it will increase the demand, so that the supply will keep higher and the economy will keep running.
So, what your improvement would you like to see in instant noodle products?
Buat improvement yang sangat saya rekomendasikan adalah karena saya pencinta mie kuah, bahan dari mie itu semoga bisa lebih cepat menyerap supaya mie itu jadi lebih cepat. Jadi kuah-kuah yang mengandung rasa-rasa itu bisa terserap ke dalam mie sehingga rasa dari mie itu jadi flavory.
For the conclusion, students often eat instant noodle a few times a week, usually because they are quick, cheap, and easy to prepare. Even though many know the health risks, they still choose instant noodle when they are busy or want something practical. These habits keep the demands for instant noodle in the agro-industry supply chain. Students also hope for healthier ingredients, eco-friendly packaging, and more new flavors. Overall, their eating habits show a mix of convenience and growing concern for health.